In this video, you are going to learn about different views of PowerPoint. So I have opened a template presentation called Quiz Show. So in PowerPoint, there are 4 views named Normal View, Slide Sorter View, Slideshow View and Notes Page View. So by default, when you open PowerPoint, the PowerPoint opens in the normal view. So normal view is the default view of the PowerPoint. Right now, which view you are watching is the normal view. In normal view, the whole screen is divided into 3 sections. First, the slide pane. Second, on the left side, slides and outline tab. And the third part is notes pane. So there are 3 sections in the normal view. The slide pane is displaying the current slide you are working on. As you change the slides from these thumbnails, the slides showing in the slide pane portion changes also. So the current slide which you are working on is displayed in the slides pane portion. Now move on to the slides and outline tab. The slides tab displays the thumbnails of all the slides you have added in your presentation. Right now you can see there are 8 slides in your presentation. So this slides tab is displaying the thumbnail view of all the slides in your presentation. You can click the scroll bar here and you can see the thumbnails of all the slides 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the slides are present here. The thumbnail view displays the background color you have applied on your slide, the text color, the representation, the layout, how you arrange your elements on the slide, all at a glance. And you can see in the slides tab all the slides you added in your presentation. But the slide pane only displays the current slide. Now in the outline tab, when you click on outline tab, you can only see a small icon of the slides on the left hand side, and this displays the content of each of your slides you have added in your presentation. So this displays quiz show, question and answer, samples and techniques. You can see on your first slide there is written quiz show, question and answer, samples and techniques. So the content, matlab the text content, only the text content will appear in the outline view. So as you scroll down, now you are on the second slide. The text which appears in the second slide also appears in the outline view. So this is the only text part. No animation, no picture that you add on your slide will appear in the outline tab. So I am moving on to the slides where there is any graphics. Now you can see in this slide there is some graphics portion and a text portion. Now in the outline tab you can only see the text portion appears, not the graphics that you appear on the slide. Not the background color, not the text color, not the text styles, nothing. Only the text that you created on your slide. So moving back to the slides tab. In the notes pane, you can write any note on your slide. So this is the match the column quiz slide. So you can write as match the column. So where will it appear? It does not appear when you present the slide to the audience. This text will appear in the notes page view. This text you can format it as you format text on your slide. You can select it and from the formatting portion you can make it bold, you can give it a color. So this is the notes pane area. Now you can change the views of your presentation from two areas. One is the view tab and another from the status bar. There are three options: normal, slide sorter and slideshow. Notes page view does not appear on the status bar, but you can see it in the view tab. There is normal, slide sorter, notes page and slideshow view. When you click on the slide sorter, the 8 slides that are present in your presentation appears all at once in their thumbnail view. In this view, you can easily organize your slide. Suppose you want to move the 4th slide to the position of the 5th and 5th slide to the position of the 4th. So you can just simply click on it, drag the slide. After the 5th slide, you can see a vertical line appears and you release the mouse button. So number 4 and number 5, these two slides interchange their position. So in this view, you can simply easily drag and drop slides to rearrange them. You can select and go to the home button and click on delete to delete a slide. So this view helps to organize your slide more easily than in the normal view. Now moving on to the notes page view. I am clicking on the notes page view. So this is the slide. It does not contain any note. But on the last slide, I have added some note which appears here. See, it appears. I am changing the zoom. Let's make it 100%. So you can see the text I make bold and colored red appears right here in the notes page view. So notes page view will display a thumbnail view of your slide along with the notes that you add in your slides. Now I am going back to the normal view. The last view is called the slideshow view. The slideshow view displays the whole slide on your screen. Now I am clicking on the slideshow. You can see the slide appears full your screen. You can click to move on to the next slide, or you can use your arrow keys to move on to the next slide. If you want to return back to the normal view, you can press escape key from your keyboard and you are back to the normal view. So slideshow view displays the whole slide appearing on your full screen view. So these are the 4 views: normally normal view, slide sorter view and slideshow view. These 3 views are important views. Notes page is important on the portion of the presenter who presents the slide, who want to add any note relating to the slides. But for the audience, only the slideshow view, and who is creating the presentation, for the person, normal view is important, and slideshow view helps you to organize your slides better than the normal view. You can also organize your slide here in this portion. You can also organize your slide here.